Yo, bro, what's the Wi-Fi password? It's the same as yours. You don't even know my password. No, it's the same as yours. You've never been to my house. How do you know my password? Bro, just type in the same as yours. Kylie Jenner 123 doesn't work. Bro, it's the same as yours. You don't know my...
Hey man, you want soap to wash you? Yes, actually. I've been tired of washing myself with just water. I got you. Hey Soap, get in here. He said he wants you to wash him. Thanks, man. Wait. Oh, great heavens! What you doing?
Nothing. Mom took my phone and game away.
What? Why?
Because I got caught kissing a girl at school.
Are you serious? She should be proud. Don't worry, son. I'll get your stuff back. Baby! Son didn't do anything wrong. Give his stuff back or else. Hey, son.
What happened?
Your mom told me to tell you that I'm sorry. You won't be getting your stuff back.
Oh, man.
And if you see me sleeping on the couch tonight, it's because I'm in punishment, too. What you doing?
Nothing. Mom took my phone and game away.
What? Why?
Because I got caught kissing a girl at school.
Are you serious? She should be proud. Don't worry, son. I'll get your stuff back. Baby! Son didn't do anything wrong. Give his stuff back or else. Hey, son.
What happened?
Your mom told me to tell you that I'm sorry. You won't be getting your stuff back.
Oh, man.
And if you see me sleeping on the couch tonight, it's because I'm in punishment, too. Boy, give me one good reason why I shouldn't whoop you right now.
Because I'm in the middle of a game and my teammates are dead and I'm carrying them. So if you can wait until the game is over to whoop me, I would appreciate it because they need me right now.
Not gonna lie, that's a pretty good reason. Okay, cool. Let me know when you're done so I can whoop you and then we can go get some food after. Hey son, I want to talk to you about something.
What's up?
Always remember, no matter what, family comes first before anyone.
Okay.
Promise me?
I promise.
10 years later. Wow, that was great. Baby, one more thing. What's up? Would you choose your family over me? Are you serious? I will always choose my family over anyone. That's my son. I'm so proud of you. Oh, great heavens! It's time to go, sweetie. The next day.
It's hot.
Beep, 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 beep. Who said you could turn on the AC? Oh, great heavens!
I feel like a next head catch at your crib. If you read this, is too late.
It's time to go, sweetie. The next day.
Man, I'm hungry. What's there to...
Hey, grandson, I heard you were hungry. What can I get you? Oh, great heavens!
I feel like a next head catch at your crib. If you read this, is too late.
Alright, son, it's time to go. The next day.
I feel like I forgot something. Shoot, I forgot to take the chicken out yesterday.
Hey, you thought I forgot, huh?
Oh, great heavens! I feel like a next head catch at your crib. If you read this, is too late.
I can't believe my crazy son is gone. No, my little sweetie pie. Let's go home, honey. I still can't believe my baby is gone. What do we do with his phone? I don't know. Maybe clear everything out? Okay, I'll start with his search history.
Hi, Mom and Dad. I'm sorry I can't let you do that.
Oh, great heavens!
Give me my phone now.
If you read this, is too late.
Hey, loser, you know why you're so lonely?
Why?
Nobody has time for you.
I'm about to end this bully's whole career. Maybe not you, but your mom took all the time she needed last night.
No, my brother. No, you were so good. In bed. Let's go home.
Okay, Mom and Dad are at work. I finally have the house to myself. I got my lotion, my laptop ready. Time to have some fun.
You know how to make it more fun? Me helping you.
Oh, great heavens! Feel like a mixtape catch at your crib if you read this is too late.
Hey kids, I'm back.
What the? Who the fuck are you? Who the fuck are you? Who you is? Who you be? Huh? I don't even know your ass.
Oh, great heavens!
Alright class, use the word definitely in a sentence. The sky is definitely blue. Well, that's not 100% true because sometimes the sky is gray and cloudy. Grass is definitely green. Well, if grass doesn't get enough water, it turns brown, so that isn't correct either.
Can a fart be wet?
I don't think so, but what does that have to do with the question?
Then I definitely pooped my pants.
Oh, great heavens!
What the heck, Dad? I was about to win.
I told you to clean your room first.
Oh, that's not cool.
Clean your room. 30 years later. Hey, son.
And now look at me and this opportunity is standing right in front of me.
Son, what did you do?
He started it.
Oh, great heavens!
Hey, Dad, how did you and Mom meet?
Yeah, how did we meet? Let me think.
He looks at me, and I look at him, and he looks at me, and I look at him, and he looks at me, and I look at him.
Oh, I don't really remember. I think it was a dating app.
Oh, cool. Hi, Michaela. Hey, cutie. You ready to practice for what we're going to do tonight? Yes, I can't wait. That's what I like to hear. You ready? Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Pre-show with a bag full of pre-rolls. No fear in the crowd for a freak hoes. Feel brave as I walk to the stage and I tell them to behave as I put them in the days. I been bold and I been...
What in the I don't want no grandbabies are y'all doing?
Huh?
Oh, I thought y'all were... Never mind.
Yeah, we were practicing for our talent show tonight at school, Dad.
That's my bad. I forgot.
You'll be a grandpa soon, don't worry.
You said something?
No?
Honey, look what I got for our son. What? No way, a PS5? Hold on, let me get my camera out. But I got this for our son. I know, I just want to record you giving it to him. I don't think you understand. I got this for our son.
Oh, great heavens!
Wow, that's a pretty big butt.
I said stop. I said stop. Play the damn.
Dad, I need help with my homework.
Yeah, I got you.
I need to find the difference between hypothetically and realistically.
Well, son, go ask your mom if she would sleep with the mailman for $1 million.
Okay. She said yes.
Now go ask your sister the same question.
Okay. She said yes.
Okay, now go ask your brother the same question.
Okay. He said yes too.
Well, hypothetically, we're sitting on $3 million. Realistically, we live with 3 whores.
You mean 4?
Why?
'Cause I would too.
Oh, great heavens!
Dad, I need help with my homework.
Yeah, I got you.
I need to find the difference between hypothetically and realistically.
Well, son, go ask your mom if she would sleep with the mailman for $1 million.
Okay. She said yes.
Now go ask your sister the same question.
Okay. She said yes.
Okay, now go ask your brother the same question.
Okay. He said yes too.
Well, hypothetically, we're sitting on $3 million. Realistically, we live with 3 whores.
You mean 4?
Why?
'Cause I would too.
Oh, great heavens!
Does my son watch porn? Check. Let's go check. Whoa! Are you actually watching porn?
I swear, Dad. I swear.
Did you start a new show?
Yeah, I didn't really think you'd be into it.
What's it about?
Rich moms and their drama.
No, thank you. Wait, so the blonde lady doesn't like her?
You want me to start it over?
No, I don't care. So wait, she doesn't like her because something her kid did? What did her kid do?
Well, it's not technically her kid.
So which one's her kid?
This would be way easier if you just watch from the beginning.
No, I really don't care.
Then don't ask questions.
Who the fuck is that?
I'm starting it over.
In my 15 years of teaching, I've never had a class fail a test this bad before. I'm very, very disappointed, y'all. Even you, Stuart. You scored a 1 out of 10.
Secret.
Oh yeah, and did I forget to mention, he scored the highest?
Oh, Oh, great heavens! Oh, great heavens!
Oh, you can have the C if you're pregnant. I'm not pregnant. Hey, you wanna be? Ew, you're so disgusting. I own a fertility clinic. Oh. It's called your bedroom. Excuse me? It was the name of the old mattress store when we bought it, and we just never changed it.
Oh, great heavens!
Alright, first question. Are you the killer? No. Really? Yes. Killer say what? What? Got him! We got him! Guilty!
Oh, great heavens!
It's a boy. What do you want to call him? Like his dad. 10 years later. Hey class, just say here when I call your name. Absent?
Here.
The food looks great. I don't know what to get. Just make sure you pick something cheap. I think I want steak. Put your hands up. Give me all your money. I don't have any money, but I'll do anything you want. Anything? Yes, anything. Okay, I want a one-night stand. I'm sorry, baby, that you have to go through this. Just know that I love you. Not her. You.
Oh, great heavens!
I love you too.
What are you doing?
I'm calling that girl my phone book. That's what I'm doing.
For what?
This coronavirus going around. We about to get locked down.
Why?
Because I'm trying to quarantine and chill, if you must know. Okay?
And that exactly means?
The same thing as Netflix and chill, Sean.
Well, if nobody can't come for me, nobody can't come for you.
Too late. Brenda already said yes.
Brenda? Big Brenda?
Yes.
She stinks.
Okay.
Y'all not gonna be able to quarantine and chill.
What you mean?
She gonna have your room smell like corn chips, for real.
Get your ass up!
Ow! Ow!
That wasn't me. That wasn't.
What happened?
I did not.
What happened? Someone throw a water bottle at me.
Hello?
911, what's your emergency? Hold up, is this Megan's son?
Yeah, it is.
Hey, it's Jordan. I haven't seen you since you were really little.
Oh, is this the guy that came to my house to see my mommy when Dad was at work?
Yeah, and remember I always brought candy.
Yeah, I missed that.
How are you doing?
Not so good right now. Just give me a minute. It's my mom's wrestling friend.
Take your time.
Wanna get ice cream after school? Yeah, that sounds like fun.
Hey, loser.
Oh, get out of here. Who's this? That's my ex. Oh.
I just wanted to tell you to your face, you'll never be like me. What's so funny?
I don't wanna be you.
Whatever.
Let's go, babe.
Oh, hey, sweetheart. I didn't know you was already at home. How was work?
Oh, hey, baby. Work was long as hell today.
How long?
It was like 3 hours. I was like, damn, how long can he go?
Was it good?
It was good and all. I mean, it's always good.
Oh, sweet Jesus.
What are y'all doing?
Oh my gosh. Morning, kiddo. We're baking a cake. What she said.
That's weird, but okay.
The next day.
Mommy, did y'all bake a cake again today?
Yes, how'd you know that?
I licked all the frosting off the couch.
Oh, great heavens!
Me making a sandwich. That was pretty good. I was starving. Versus your mom making the exact same sandwich.
Son, your sandwich is ready.
Thanks, Mom. I was starving. Whoa!
Whoa, what's wrong?
There's no way this is the exact sandwich I made.
It is. Cheese and bread, just the way you like.
How come it's better than mine? This is how teachers think bullying works in elementary school.
What's up, loser? You're such a freaking loser.
Hey, stop that! When you tell me I'm a loser, it makes me feel sad inside, and it really hurts my feelings.
Oh, you're right. I shouldn't have said that.
Yeah, it's okay.
Thank you. Want to be friends?
Yeah, sure. We can be best friends forever.
I gotta call you failing math. No. I don't want to hear it. You got double the chores this month. I gotta call you failing math. I have a 98 in math. Oh, you want to talk back to me? What happened to the other 2%? I gotta call you failing math.
Yeah, the teacher's being dumb.
I'm sorry to hear that, son. Here, go buy you some ice cream.
My heart's so cold, I think I'm done with ice. Birds, if I leave her, she gon' die. Well, bitch, you done with life. Okay, better not pull up with no knife, cause I bring guns to fight. Say you got that sack, I got that sack, but ain't no ones of mine. Nope. My little bitch say I'm getting too booed. I don't need like dubs of mine. Alright, but I look like what I...
Son, the school called me and told me you had detention today. Why?
Just because I was giving my teacher Mr. Forever single advice.
About what?
I asked if he had a girlfriend, and he said no. So I told him there's 3 easy steps on how to get a girlfriend.
What did you say?
Step 1, grab a pillow.
Okay.
Step 2, grab a big blanket. Step 3.
Don't tell me you're gonna say lotion or something.
No, keep dreaming.
Oh, great heavens!
tomorrow you'll be presenting your homework that could be anything related to school. The next day. Okay, class, time for the presentations. We're going in ABC order, so that means Mr. Adams, you're up first.
Oh, fine. My paper is about 3 reasons I hate school. Waking up early in the morning, it's miserable. Having to ask to go to the bathroom, like if I have to go, I have to go. Homework, like I just spent half my day with work, and now you want me to spend my other half with work? Don't listen to him. School is amazing. School is just prison for children.
Oh, great heavens! Hello? I know she ain't. Y'all can't stand your mom, yo.
What y'all arguing about now?
Man, she's just annoying.
She don't argue with my Uncle Daryl that much.
My man, Daryl?
Yeah,
Why would she be arguing with him, Sean?
because he be over her house.
What is he doing over her house?
I think they be having threesomes.
Sean, you don't even know what threesomes is.
Yes, I do.
What?
When 3 friends get together and play with each other.
Oh my, I'm calling her right now.
8 things mothers hate. 1. When I go out. 2. When I don't go out. 3. When I eat too much. 4. When I don't eat. 5. When I sleep too much. 6. When I don't sleep. 7. When I answer her when she's talking. 8. When I don't answer her when she's talking.
Dad, it's 11:11. Make a wish.
I'm busy.
Come on.
Son, not right now.
Okay, fine. I'll make a wish. I wish cheaters die.
Whoa there, buddy. That's kind of hard.
Sorry, my ex was a cheater. Uncle Fred is calling you.
Hello?
Bro, I don't know how it happened.
What happened?
Your wife, she died in front of me.
What? What was she doing over there?
Oh, great heavens!
Dad, it's 11:11. Make a wish.
I'm busy.
Come on.
Son, not right now.
Okay, fine. I'll make a wish. I wish cheaters die.
Whoa there, buddy. That's kind of hard.
Sorry, my ex was a cheater. Uncle Fred is calling you.
Hello?
Bro, I don't know how it happened.
What happened?
Your wife, she died in front of me.
What? What was she doing over there?
Oh, great heavens!
Hey, Mom, it's 11:11. Make a wish.
I'm busy right now.
Come on, please, just make a wish.
I can't. I'm on a work call.
Oh, fine. I'll make the wish. I wish that every cheater had a red dot in their nose so we could spot in a crowd.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah, so I'll never get heartbroken.
If only something like that was true.
It is true.
Sorry, my son's making silly wishes.
Hey, honey. Hey, son. I'm back from work.
Oh, great heavens!
What?
Cheater.
Y'all gon' make me lose my mind. Up in here, up in here. Y'all gon' make
Bye, Mommy. Bye, Mom.
Have fun, kids. I'll just be here listening to my tunes.
drugs got me fucked up, slugs got me drugged up.
Hey, Mommy, I went to the store with Daddy and some ladies said they like Daddy's hair.
Some lady said they like Daddy's hair?
Yeah.
Okay, what did Daddy say?
He smiled.
Oh, he smiled. He wants to smile at girls now? Okay, so your daddy trying to meet Jesus today. What's going on? Come over here. What did I do? Oh dear, what's going on?
Mom's mad because you complimented Dad's hair.
Oh, great heavens!
Hey, Mommy, I went to the store with Daddy and some ladies said they like Daddy's hair.
Some lady said they like Daddy's hair?
Yeah.
Okay, what did Daddy say?
He smiled.
Oh, he smiled. He wants to smile at girls now? Okay, so your daddy trying to meet Jesus today. What's going on? Come over here. What did I do? Oh dear, what's going on?
Mom's mad because you complimented Dad's hair.
Oh, great heavens!
A little girl goes to a pet shop and asks,
Excuse me, do you have a little rabbit?
the shopkeeper heart melts and says, "Aw, do you want a little white rabbit or a soft fluffy black rabbit or one like that little brown one over there?" The little girl blushed, leans forward and whispers,
I don't really think my anaconda gives a f***.
Oh, great heavens!
I have a fear of the word which is spelt AAGH exclamation mark. That word. Why don't you tell me a bit about yourselves? Starting with you.
Hi everyone, my name's Jim, and I have a fear of apologies.
Sorry?
Hey, set above it, beyond living dust, sky high, cloud nine, my mind tryna fist my own, show no love, get no fuss, deep down inside, words fly, my pride gets me involved, plenty times I lie, plenty times I cry.
I've been at peace since the playground, this shit ain't come overnight, had to stay down, on that road day and night like a greyhound, on that I-15, going out of state bound, you ain't getting money, then you in the way. Told that little bitch that she gotta pay. Bitch, I need my queso on delay. I been getting to that bag like every day, but I still slide down with a baby K and bounce out and watch these bullets hit a nigga face. Niggas telling nowadays, so I'm masked up. Ayy, tell these broke niggas better catch up. I got my bag up, now these niggas mad, huh? Same bitches on me now, used to laugh, huh? Got a big bag, flexing on they.
Hi. Hey, I'm sorry, but I want to break up. What? But why? I like this other boy now.
The next day.
This song goes towards my ex.
Fuck what I said, it don't mean shit now. Fuck the presents, might as well throw them out. Fuck all those kisses, they didn't mean jack. Fuck you, you go, I don't want you back. No, no, no. I pull up to your crib every time I miss you, and I love to hear your voice sound like an instrumental. Girl, I be going on all these trips, but love it when I'm with you. And you know when I pull up, we settle all our issues.
What are you doing? Stop.
Can I pass?
No, leave.
Hi, can I pass now?
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, great heavens!
Okay, class, what's the opposite of this sentence? Children in the dark make mistakes.
I'm about to make my teacher really mad. Mistakes in the dark make children.
Get out.
That's a glitch, man. If a nigga play, I'ma hit him broad day with the cake, make a nigga go, yeah. Do the race, call it take cake, yeah. Fucking on another nigga bait, yeah.
Alexa, can you remind me at midnight to sneak out of the house so I can see Michaela? Of course. Anything for you, Daddy. You the best.
What are you doing?
Oh, nothing. Just about to play music, right, Alexa?
Don't be suspicious.
Huh?
Be
Alexa, be quiet.
You don't think I heard you? You're trying to sneak out.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, to see Michaela.
Alexa, what should I do? Run.
Run this hand.
Dad.
What?
Did you really buy a pony?
Huh? Why would I get a pony?
Well, you said it last night to your friend.
Stop capping.
You were like,
I don't want to see this.
I promise that you won't want to get off. If you horny, let's do it. Ride it, my pony.
Alexa, can you tell him to stop lying?
I'm sorry. That was true. No cap.
Ha ha.
Ha ha, this hand.
Built by the science guy. Built